Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss a sample program that will ask the user to give grams value and then it will convert into kilograms equivalent using C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today in my two websites for free. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So basically I'm using Dev C++ as my integrated development environment. So we have here sharp include IO stream for standard input output in our C program. We have a couple of comments here. Int main, it is a function that is being executed by our C compiler and also when we terminate our program. We have here left curly bracket and then we declare two variables that has a data type of float, grams, kilograms. Printf new line, the title of our program, grams to kilograms in C. In this line of code we are asking the user to give grams value that will be stored in our variable grams. Kilograms equals grams divided by 1000. So we have here new line and then we have here the display, no? So 5.2 to is decimal places, no, to the right and 5 in the left, no, equivalents to kilograms. Grams in kilograms, new line here, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. We have also a new line here in system pause, now to display the output. System pause is not a standard command in C programming language. It can be used only in Dev C++ in code blocks IDE, and then we have a right curly bracket. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go to execute. Compile and run. Grams to kilograms in C, give grams value, let's say 6,700 grams is equivalent to 6.70 kilograms. End of program. Another example, we have here 1,234 grams is equivalent to 1.23 kilograms. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on grams to kilograms in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.